Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I will show you exactly how to verify your Printify store in 2025 so that you can publish your products, get paid and run your shop smoothly. It is fast and essential. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come on printify.com and then log in into your account. Now your Printify dashboard will look something like this. Over here, first of all, click on the option of My New Store. Here, simply click on the option of Manage My Store. Now, once you do this, you are going to see all of the stores that you have basically connected with your Printify account. Over here, simply click on the Connect option if you don't see any of the accounts connected here. From the given list, you can choose any of the accounts that you want to connect to your Printify account. Let's say for the sake of this video, you want to connect Shopify. So click on the Shopify option. Then it is going to show you that you are going to get Shopify absolutely for free for 3 days. And afterwards, you can get it for $1 per month for the first 3 months. Now click on the continue option here in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now, if you have already established Shopify account, simply provide its URL, which should be your store's URL here. Or if you don't have an account, you can create new by clicking on the create now option. You need to provide the email address and create a strong password for your Shopify account. You need to basically set it up. Once you have done that, simply click on the I have completed my setup option here in the bottom. So once you do this, your account will be connected successfully. If now you come back here on this page, if you see any of the verify my store option, you need to click on that option and provide further details like your government issue ID and your proof of address. This way, you will be able to easily verify your Printify store in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.